Alright, part 2, I guess, of this video on rebuilding the KA. So, as you can see, I've got the block done. I've got the pistons already in. I think that was in the last video, or the last clip. And I've got everything at bottom end done. As you can see, I've also installed the cylinder head. Again, the cylinder head was prepped by Rebello Racing, so it's set up for DSP, so the class I'm in. And as you can see, again, the head's on. The cam is on, also on. I have brand new rocker arms for this, so hydraulic rocker arms. That's what I'm gonna be working on tonight. Like again, this is just a quick update. As you can see, I just need to install the rocker arms, install the timing chain sprocket. I don't know what it's called. The chain's already on there. I got to install the tensioner, and then I can put the cover on the front end. So again, engine's coming along just fine. Peace.